Hi, everyone. It's day 170 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird is the House Finch. They first landed in Oahu as California transplants back in the 1800s, hitching a ride from San Francisco before 1870. By 1901, they'd completely invaded and are now abundant on every major Hawaiian island. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?